Hello, welcome to this tutorial on iPhone forensics. Today we're going to try to decrypt an encrypted backup of an iPhone and revealing the password with Elcomsoft password breaker. What is a encrypted backup? Well, when you have an iPhone and you create a backup, um, you can either encrypt the backup or do it an unencrypted backup. So we're gonna connect our iPhone. We're gonna click on it, and right here it says encrypt backup. You can either change it or it's gonna ask you for a password. So let's do an encrypted backup and see what happens. We're gonna do a right click and then backup. That backup's already on my computer to save time. It's gonna take about 15 minutes for it to encrypt it and then to save it under the hidden location. Um, let's assume we already did the encrypted iPhone backup. We're going to right click and then backup. Now we have to install a program called Elcomsoft, and you can download it from this site. They have a trial version, or you can have a home edition for $79 or the professional edition for $99. You can compare the editions and see that the main difference would be to decrypt BlackBerries, iPad with known passwords, and Apple devices 4x2 and later. Also, the CPU supported would be 32 and 8, which is greater computing power. So we're gonna download this. We're gonna download the free version. Once we download it, we install, and it's gonna take about 15 minutes to install. So once installed, we can look for it on our, and then we can run it, Elcomsoft phone password breaker. And it's going to ask you for credentials, or ask you if you're the administrator. This is copies, not registered, so you have to wait at least 12 seconds for it to start. Once it starts, it's going to look for the backups, and especially for the ones that are encrypted. Press OK, and we're gonna. This is the main interface for this. There's a file, keychain explorer, decrypt backup, recovery, and help. We're gonna click on open, and it gives us the different backups that I've done on this computer. The only one that's encrypted has a little lock on the side, which is Lisbeth Alvarez phone, and gives you the phone number, the type of a phone, that's a 3G, and it says the backup is encrypted. If we click on any other one, it says not encrypted, so you can't open them. It's grayed out. So we're going to click on Lisbeth Alvarez iPhone, which we did a backup, an encrypted backup. We're going to press OK. We're going to do an attack, and we're going to do English with no mutations. On the bottom, we have a log, and it loads like the dictionary and the attack mode. So we're going to click on start, and it starts the process of attacking it via dictionary. So it's right now using 200 passwords per second, and this is the current password it's trying out. It's gonna take about 15 to 20 minutes to run through all the dictionary from this software called Elcomsoft phone password breaker. Since this is a numeric password, I don't think it's gonna pick it up. So we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna pause this video and come back at the end to see if there was any changes to it. So it's currently at 3.94%. It's doing an estimated of 18 minutes. It's doing 205 passwords per second. So this is what hackers try to do to break your passwords, your user account passwords. So we're going to give it a try. We're going to see what happens, and we'll come back to you later. We're back in the video on how to break a password using this Elcomsoft phone password breaker, and it's currently at 95%, and it's supposed to be finished within 45 seconds, but it usually takes longer than that. So far, it hasn't been able to break the password, and I don't think it's gonna be able to. But this is the first step in trying to break that password. We're gonna wait for it to finish. This is what it features: is gains access to information stored in password-protected iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch backups. It's decrypts encrypted BlackBerry backups too. Recover original plain text passwords. Read and decrypt keychain data, which we've checked before, and we can actually try to break passwords on the keychain file. So it's at 99%, and we're gonna see if it did anything. It said it says password not found. So this is how you try to break a password with an encrypted backup. Thank you for watching.